What's up, guys? Today we are gonna be reviewing a bunch of detailing brushes. I like to clean my cars really thoroughly when I do washes, so a bunch of my brushes have broken. Actually, just 2 of them, but I only had 4 in that kit. So I needed to get more. They're really helpful for like the lug nuts and also for getting, in the small little like seams and around your like badging when you wash the car, and when you vacuum the car, they're pretty nice, and you can use them to dislodge dirt in like really small corners or parts that your vacuum can't even get to. So I ordered new brushes, and it's called the Multifunctional Detailing brush. It's a big set by SGCB brand. They're nothing super special, super high quality or anything. They're very budget friendly, which for me is great because I use them for wheels in the lug nut area and around the valve stem too. And they gotta get soaked in chemicals, so if I don't really go with the super expensive ones because I found that they do hold up really well, but they don't hold up long enough for me, like compared to their price. Instead, I can probably just buy a whole new set of new brushes for much less, and the cost would be better. So that's what I'm doing. There's some really good brushes from Into Detailing. Those are really nice for like dash areas and interior, and even some of the exterior of a car too. But these ones are nice because I chose them because they're just a little stiff, so it will be good for getting dirt out of like carpets and stuff, dislodging it so that I can then vacuum it up. So I will do this little unboxing for you guys and review as well. I'll be using them today, and I'll give you guys an updated review hopefully as I continue to use them. Okay, so here's the box. Really nice packaging actually. Nice colors, simple. And here we are, full set of brushes, 5 of them. And the really good thing, and the reason why I did pick it over another brand or something like that, is for the value, and also because if you look, you can use this one, and it's a plastic handle, full plastic construction. For these brushes, I've found plastic is way better because as opposed to some which have a metal ring over here, instead of this red ring, it'll be like silver or even black, and it'll be metal. That can scratch the wheels quite easily. It can also scratch the paint, any interior stuff, the dash. So I really don't like the metal ones. And then my old set had this plastic red, which ended up cracking, and then I just bent it and then it broke. So this might end up breaking, but probably not for a little while actually. And then the handle is made of like this ABS plastic. Let's see if we can get it to focus. There we go. ABS plastic, which is really nice. My old one is made of wood. That really won't scratch the wheels. This plastic won't scratch the wheels either, but since it's plastic, it's way more resistant to like getting water on it and being waterlogged for a period of time, because when I do the wheels, I just leave the brush in the wheel bucket. So this is great. It even has holes, so you could end up hanging it if you need to, but I don't. I just put in my detailing bag in a little pocket, and they just sit upright. One other thing I also use these for, which they're super handy, super convenient for, is tire dressings.
Really good for tire dressings because I use water-based tire dressings primarily. Do have the oil ones, but those get applied with applicators. Water-based, I actually spray it depending on the size of the tire on the tire and brush it on, or I just spray it right into it, like as you're seeing it now. I spray the dressing right into this brush, and then I go by and I actually I can show you guys later, but I paint the wheel basically. It gives it a nice even coverage, and then later once it kind of soaks in, I just come by and do a light pass with the microfiber, and then it's totally even. One thing with this one, seems like it's I don't know, it's over here. I think it's just the glue. It's not a crack or anything, so I'm pretty sure it's just the glue. I mean, like I said, I didn't pay crazy amount for these, so I don't expect the super high tolerance and quality control, but it's really really nice bristles. They're not super soft like a makeup brush, but they're a little stiff, which is nice for cleaning wheel lugs and the valve stems and even the badging. Maybe if I just press it on the ground, I can show you guys. Yeah, you can get some. So if I press down really hard, straight down, it will actually fan out all the way. So they're not crazy stiff, you know. I can just use my pointer finger and bend them all the way back. But you can see they're stiff enough to like spring back really quickly actually. So that's the brushes. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below, and then I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can.